स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ready? Start. Rigorous imprisonment for 3 years and a fine of rupees 1000 each under sections 409 and 468 IPC, and rigorous imprisonment for 2 years and a fine of rupees 1000 under section 471 IPC have been awarded to the petitioner accused in bracket herein referred as the accused bracket out by the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class, Narnaul, White judgment dated 23/24/11/2000. Stop. The appeal, preferred by him, was dismissed with the modification in the sentence while reducing the same from 3 years to 1 year under sections 409 and 468 IPC and 2 years to 1 year under section 471 IPC. Stop. Para. The accused was a branch postmaster. Stop. The case was registered against him on a complaint forwarded by Bahadur Singh, Sub-Divisional Inspector in bracket Post Office bracket out, Narnaul, to the effect that during his posting as branch postmaster, he forged the signature of Sultan Singh on 21/11/1985, to whom the amount of rupees 800 pertaining to money orders sent by his son, was to be paid. Stop. Similarly, one Satpal, son of Revati Ram, entrusted a sum of rupees 300 to the accused on 26/12/1985 for depositing into his account, though, he made entry regarding the deposit of said amount in the passbook of Satpal, but neither he made any entry with regard to deposit of the same in post office record nor accounted for in the post office account. Stop. In the same manner, he took a sum of rupees 1100 from Ram Singh and made entry in his passbook but did not deposit the said amount in the post office. Stop. On the basis of this complaint, case was registered against the accused and investigated. Stop. On completion of investigation, challan against him was presented. Stop. Para. The accused was charged for the aforesaid offences to which he pleaded not guilty and opted to contest. Stop. Para. The trial ended in conviction. Stop. The appeal, preferred by him, was also dismissed. Stop. Para. Arguments, as advanced by learned counsel for the petitioner accused as well as Mr. J.S. Rattu, Deputy Advocate General, Haryana, heard and recorded, perused. Stop. Para. It is apparently proved on record that the accused misappropriated a sum of rupees 1100. Stop. However, the misappropriation, the remaining amount of rupees 1100 was to be proved by Ram Singh, but he has not stepped into the witness box. Stop. However, Sultan Singh, while appearing in the witness box as PW2, has categorically stated that his son Ramanand had sent money to him worth rupees 800, but the accused did not pay the said amount while denying his signatures over the payment. Stop. He has stated that the money has been misappropriated by the accused. Stop. Para. No cross-examination was conducted on the statement of this witness, therefore, the allegations, as levelled by Sultan Singh in bracket PW2 bracket out, would be treated as accepted by the accused. Stop. Complainant Bahadur Singh in bracket PW4 bracket out has also accepted the issuing of the letter describing the forgery and cheating made by the accused. Stop. He has also proved the money order form Exhibit PW4/B purported to have been signed by Sultan Singh in bracket PW4 bracket out, acknowledging the receipt of the money. Stop. Entrustment of the amount of rupees 800 pertaining to money order number 3507 dated 11/11/1985 has been proved from the statement of बहादुर सिंह in bracket PW4 stop over। तो दोस्तों ये 115 की स्पीड से डिक्टेशन हो गया है, ठीक है। और कमेंट करके बताइएगा कैसा लगा, और मिस्टेक्स वगैरह भी बताइएगा। और जब तक डेट नहीं आ रही है तब तक फास्ट स्पीड में लिख लीजिए, और डेट आ जाने के बाद डिक्टेशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्ज़ामिनेशन 110 की स्पीड से मिलने लगेंगे, ठीक है। और जिनको ऑफलाइन या ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी है वो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर लेकर अबाउट सेक्शन में कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और ऑफलाइन बैचेस के डिक्टेशंस को भी अगर चाहिए है तो उसके लिए भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।